What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Focus remote key fob. This Ford Focus key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and if we flip it over so we're looking at the back, we're going to pop this back cover off. Down here on the skinnier end near the key ring, you can see there's some grooves right here that my thumb's on, and there's some more like it just on this side. So what I'm going to do is get my fingers on those grooves and then press in at the same time. And as I do that, you can see it pops that back cover up just a little bit, and you can go ahead and pull it off. Once we get that off of there, you can get your emergency key out and just set that to the side. Now I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver, and again down here near the thinner end where we just pressed on those two buttons, there's a little bit of a slot right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that slot like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then just pry up. And as I do that, it splits the two halves apart like that. And in this half right here, we see our battery. I'm just going to use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first that's near that metal clip like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together. And if you notice right here, there's this little tab that my finger's on. You can line that up right there in that hole, and then snap it back together like that. Then we need to grab the emergency key, put that back in place, and then lastly we can pop this back cover on, and we're going to put the bigger end on first. You can see there's that tab, line that up like that, snap that down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.